Every single day, people are making thousands of dollars using AI, and the wild part is most of them are not smart, not technical, and not experts in anything. Today, I'm breaking down the laziest business model real people are using to bring in hundreds, even thousands of dollars a day using AI, and I'm gonna show you the exact 3 things you need: a product to sell, a way to get it in front of the right people, and the tools that do almost all of the work for you. My name's Fred. I run an AI-powered online course business, and my record is $5,000 cash collected in 48 hours. Not revenue, cash in my bank account. Revenue was $7,000. So everything I'm about to show you is something I've actually done, not something I read about. Now, before I get into it, I want to address something because you've probably seen videos like this before. Promoting affiliate marketing, promoting reselling someone else's product or course, promoting dropshipping, and calling it the lazy way to make money. And look, some of that can work, but here's what nobody tells you. When you're promoting someone else's product, you're stuck splitting the profit. You don't control the price. You don't control the offer. And if that person shuts down their course or changes their commission structure, your income disappears overnight. That's not actually lazy. That's just depending on someone else's business instead of building your own. The truly lazy way, the way that actually gives you full control and full profit, is building your own digital product, specifically a high-ticket online course, and letting AI do almost all of the heavy lifting for you. Here's why this is actually the laziest option possible, and I mean that in the best way possible. If you're selling something for $5 or $10, you need hundreds, even thousands of sales just to make real money. And that means you need constant traffic, and a lot of it, which is very difficult to get, constant content, constant hustle, constant grind. But if you build one high-ticket course around a real, painful problem, and you price it at $2,000 or more, you only need a handful of buyers to make thousands of dollars. Think about a problem that genuinely stresses people out. Something like busy parents who can't get their toddler to sleep through the night, or small business owners drowning in taxes they don't understand, or people who need to lose weight on a tight deadline. Those are painful problems. And painful problems are exactly what people pay real money to solve quickly. You build one course structured around solving that one painful problem, and you sell it for a high-ticket price between $1K to $10K instead of grinding out sales for $5 just to scrape by. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over $5,000 in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Now, here's the part that stops most people before they even start. And it's the same thing I hear all the time. Fred, I don't have anything to teach anybody. I'm not an expert in some painful problem. And here's the truth. Thanks to AI, you no longer need to be. This is exactly where AI, specifically Claude, changes the entire game. You don't need 15 years of experience or certification hanging on your wall, collecting dust, because Claude can research any topic, pull together what actually works from across the internet, and organize it into a clear, structured course for you. You go to Claude, you tell it the exact painful problem you want to solve and who you want to help, and it builds out the curriculum, writes the lessons, and structures the whole thing step by step. Your job isn't to already know everything. Your job is to guide Claude to check that the information is accurate and package it into something people would happily pay real money for. That's the big shift. You're not creating knowledge from nothing. Nobody really does. You're using AI to organize existing knowledge into something valuable enough to sell. Once your course is built, the next piece is getting it in front of the right people. And this is where a lot of these other quote-unquote lazy methods actually get complicated. You need thousands of dollars for ads, testing dozens of creatives, chasing algorithms, hoping to get viral, relying on AdSense revenue. It's a nightmare. With a high-ticket course, you don't need massive traffic. You need a small number of the right people to see it, and there's 2 simple ways to do that. The first is building a personal brand. You show your face, you post content around the exact problem you solve, and over time, you become the trusted name people think of when that painful problem comes up. Every piece of content you put out keeps working for you long after you post it. The second path is going completely faceless, using an AI avatar through a tool like HeyGen or a clone voice through something like 11 Labs, so you never have to be on camera at all. Both paths lead to the same exact outcome. Someone sees your content, recognizes their own painful problem in what you're saying, and reaches out to buy or book a call to learn more. And this is really the core of why building your own high-ticket course is the laziest method that actually works long-term. When you promote somebody else's course or community, you're doing real work, researching ad angles, testing creatives, running paid traffic, making tons of content, just to send people to somebody else's product where you only keep a slice of the profit. When you build your own course, every single sale is full profit in your pocket. You control the price, you control the offer, and you're not one algorithm change or one broken partnership away from losing your entire income source. And because Claude is doing the research and writing for you, building the actual course content, the emails, the sales page, all of it, the work that used to take weeks, even months, now takes a fraction of that time. That's what makes this lazy in the best sense of the word. Not that you avoid work entirely, that's not realistic, but that the work you do once keeps paying you long after you're doing something else. Let me put a number on this so it actually feels real to you. And these are real, genuine numbers, they're not made up. If your course is priced at $2,000, you only need 5 people to buy it to bring in $10,000. 5 people. Not 500, not 5,000, not 50, only 5. And if you're solving a genuinely painful problem for the right audience, 5 buyers per month is a completely realistic goal, especially once you've got a bit of content out there and a simple system bringing the right people to your offer. So that's the actual laziest business model with AI. Not promoting someone else's course or product for a cut of the profit, not doing dropshipping or selling chatbots or whatever the hell, but building your own high-ticket course around a real painful problem, using Claude to handle the research and the writing so you don't need to be the expert, and getting it in front of people, either with your own face, your own brand, yourself, or a faceless AI avatar or voice. You don't need years of experience, you don't need a big audience to start, and you don't need to spend your days grinding out low-ticket sales one after the others only to make an extra $50 a month. You just need one real problem, one clear solution, make it into a high-ticket course, and Claude will help you build it out the smart way. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free, and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.